Hi, and welcome to SellerWiz video tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to use the advanced calculator in your Chrome extension. The SellerWiz Profit Calculator is the most comprehensive FBA profit calculator out there. It automatically fetches all the Amazon fees and allows you to include any other extra expenses that you may have. The buy price is the amount you will pay for a unit of the product from the supplier. You just need to input the amount here and profitability will be automatically calculated and displayed in the profitability section. Next, we have the discount field, where it is also automatically calculated upon input. The quantity to buy is defaulted to 1. Total profit in the profitability section is also automatically calculated upon input. Next, click the purple calculator button and you will see a full range of options that allow for full customization. In the topmost part, you will see the Merchant Fulfilled Toggle, MF. This will make the fulfillment fee equal to 0, so you can input your own estimated fulfillment costs. In Bundle Quantity, input the necessary quantity you need to purchase to match the Amazon bundle. Next are the buy price adjustments. You can enter here the shipment cost per unit and tax rate, so you have a more accurate product cost. Then, the off-order gain section. Here you can input gift cards, cashback, and credit card percentage rebates to get to your true profitability. The last section is the total fees. It contains both the Amazon fees and much more. If you are working on a bundle product, you can add the bundle fees here. You can add prep fee here in case you hired a preparation service. Then you have the other fees fields, both in percent and dollars, which you can adjust during your profitability analysis. The amazing part is that you can set the default values of these fields in settings. Under the General section, you can input your default values, so you do not have to enter them on the calculator every time. But you still have the flexibility to override the default values anytime in the calculator. Then, in the profitability section, you will see your very own true profitability calculated for you by SellerWiz. I hope you enjoyed our video tutorial. Thank you for watching.